Hello guys, today we're going to be doing another hacked box challenge. This challenge that we're going to be doing today is called Rebuilding, which is a hacked box easy challenge, which was released almost a year ago. And let's get started. So one of the very first things I did with this challenge is download the files needed. So I downloaded all the files, and you see I'm inside the directory, and I unzipped it. And before I start this challenge, I just want to say, you guys, I clicked on the link down below where I'll have my affiliate link, so you guys could go in and get a discount when you guys make a hacked box account, whether it be Academy or just a regular VIP account. Anyway, let's begin. So I unzipped the file like I said before, and after that, the first thing is you do is just write file and then strings on rebuilding. Let's see what kind it is. ELF 64-bit executable file, and it's not stripped, so good information to know. Then what else we could do is just run strings to see if we get anything interesting. What is it called? Rebuilding, yeah. So let's see. So I guess it's asking for some password. Just looking at strings. The password is incorrect. So yeah, I guess it's asking for some kind of password. So anyway, let's get on with this. So let's see. Rebuilding. So let's just run it. Rebuilding. Missing prepared secret key. Preparing secret keys. That's one thing to keep in mind. There's a secret key somewhere. Missing required arguments. So let's see. Let's add like a hello. Password length is incorrect. So there seems to be a secret key, and then the password length is incorrect. So I guess the required argument is the password needed to solve this challenge, and I guess it's just checking the length of the password. So anyway, now that we did like some basic analysis with it, we could start loading it up on Ghidra. So that's what I did right here. So I'll just go on my Ghidra thing. So we'll just go on main. Let's go on main. So first we get missing required arguments, and then exit one. String length calculating. Password is incorrect. Password length is incorrect. So okay, so it's checking also for if the password is correct or not, and also it's checking for the length. So it does two checks for the password. But like one thing that's missing that I don't know if you guys noticed, but we're missing that we're checking if this argument is, if we go back right here and if we run this program, we see preparing secret keys. We don't see that in the main function. It's nowhere to be found. So I'm guessing this gets called earlier before the main function. So I'll just scroll up on my this assembler right here where it's showing all the assembly code to see where this gets called. And we see a puts function here, which is pretty interesting on my end. So I just click on this, and it says preparing secret key. So this is the secret key that I was mentioning on this on right here. Password length is incorrect. So I guess the secret key is aliens. And if you go back to the main function right here, we see that it's encrypting it, the key, which is I'm guessing aliens, is getting Zord right here. It's getting Zord to local 14, and that's what it's checking. So from what I'm guessing, all it's doing is doing a simple Zord encryption on encrypted, which seems to be this, which seems to be all of this value. It's doing a Zord encryption with this alien value, which is key. Because if we check, I think it was if we go on main, we go all the way up right here, and we see this puts preparing secret key. It's doing a Zord encryption with aliens. So what I'm gonna do is set up CyberChef, and I think go on CyberChef. A pretty handful tool, and have my tools ready. So we'll go right here. So first thing we need to get the thing that's getting Zord. Oh, we have our I guess we just do our Zor. Put this right here. Aliens. Yeah. Aliens. Because we know that's our key. And now what we need to do is get our initial value that's getting Zor to. So if we go to encrypted, because this is the key that's getting Zored, and we go to encrypted, and we see all of this value right here. It's all of this, so we could just go on bytes. You might need to find this button. It's usually this one right here. This is bytes. Click on this and set it up. But I already had to set it up from before. So we go on bytes. What people usually do is they just copy and paste. But what I'm gonna do is just copy and paste all of this. So it starts at 20 or 29, and it goes all the way to 0014. So we just gotta find this part right here and copy all of this. So I'm just gonna copy this, Control C, or just to be sure, copy, and then go right here and put in my input. Now this is hex values. So what we could do right here, go hex from hex. This says right here. Converts a hexadecimal byte string back into its raw value. So we just use this and put it right here before the XOR value. And then the delimiter means what's the separator. So right here we had it set as auto, but we can also put it as space since everything's getting spaced out right here since it's a space. And then the XOR value, which is aliens. This is not in hex. This will most likely be in UTF-8. And after doing this, we get the flag, hack the box, hiding codes and constructors. So we just copy this. All this is probably for no byte. So anyway, if you go to right here and submit the flag, it should be the answer. I haven't tested it yet. Hopefully this works. And it accepted it. Oh, damn. That was pretty loud. I don't know what was that. But anyway, that was about it for this challenge. This was mostly it. Hope you guys learned something new today. And yeah, and basically this challenge is basically finding the hex values, XORing it with aliens, and that's about it. Peace.